Science have worked really hard all night and day. Taking the challenge on the spot without saying no definitely will make our heartbeats go fast and slow. I invite our teacher, Mr. Arshad sir, to kindly join us as a host and boost up this memory show.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, everyone, our students will give some memory demonstration. Now, what we will do, actually we will take 2-digit number from you and we will note down on the screen, and at the same time, these students will memorize these numbers. So, if you all can participate in this. Now, our sir, Abid sir, in gents section, will take last 2-digit number from all of you. So, whoever is ready to give the last 2-digit number of their contact mobile number, they can give it. Yes, Abid sir, start. Abid sir, Abid sir, take the first number from our respected director Anwar sir.
Double two.
2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22.
चाचा दो नंबर बोलिए जी, दो नंबर बोलिए कोई भी अपने मोबाइल का आखिरी दो नंबर।
84.
84
84, 84. 84, 84.
92. 92.
92
9, 2, 92. 9, 2, 92.
24 नंबर 24
2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24.
52
5, 2, 52. 5, 2, 52.
99.
9, 9, 99. 9, 9, 99.
23
2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23.
सर खड़े होके बोलिए।
61
61
6, 1, 61. 6, 1, 61.
खड़े होके बोलिए। 86 86
8, 6,
मेरा थोड़ा साइड
86.
एक मिनट
8, 6, 86.
79
7, 9, 79. 7, 9, 79.
1818
1, 8, 18. 1, 8, 18.
27
2, 7, 27. 2, 7, 27.
सर नंबर बोलिए।
59. 59.
59
5, 9, 59. 5, 9, 59.
90
9, 0, 90. 90.
2828.
2828. 2828.
डबल एट
8888. 8888.
73.
73.
7373. 7373.
02.
02. 02.
73.
7373. 7373.
9292.
9292. 9292.
93.
9393. 9393.
Double five.
55. 55.
25.
25. 25.
64. 64.
64. 64.
1616.
1616. 1616. Okay. Now let me repeat the numbers once again.
आंख मारा मैम ने
22,
22
84, 92, 24, 52, 99, 23, 61, 86, 79, 18, 27, 59, 90, 28, 88, 73, number 2, 73, 92, 93, 55, 25, 64, and finally 16. Now from audience, कोई आके यहाँ पे ये पूरे 50 numbers sequence में बोल सकता है? Anyone from the audience? Is there anyone who can say all the 50 numbers? Okay, no one. Now, inshallah, our students will say this number. So, who will say the first line? MashaAllah. Rushda, say the first line.
2 2 8 4 9 2 2 4 5 2.
MashaAllah. Very good, Rushda. Now, who will say the third line? Third line कौन बोल सकता है? Okay, Juweria. say it.
1 8 2 7 2 5 9 5 9 5 9 and 9 0 2 8.
Very good, Juveria. Now, who can say the fourth line? Fourth line कौन बोल सकता है? Okay. इंजमाम fourth line.
8 8 7 3
0 2 7 3 9 2.
Very good. Now, first line हो गई, third line हो गई, fourth line भी हो गई. अब एक काम करते, let us see the number in sequence, right from the first line till the last line. पूरे 5 line sequence में कौन बोल सकता है? Okay, हुज़ैफा.
2 2 8 4 9 2 2 4 5 2 9 9 2 2 3 6 1 8 6 7 9 1 8 2 7 5 9 9 0 2 8 9 2 8 8 7 3 0 8 7 3 9 2 9 2 9 3 2 5 4 6 4 6 1 6.
Okay, very good, हुज़ैफा. माशाल्लाह. Now, sequence हो गया. अब एक काम करते हैं. पूरे नंबर्स रिवर्स में लास्ट की 2 लाइन नंबर 5 एंड लाइन नंबर 4 रिवर्स में कौन बोल सकता है? Who will say? Okay, इंजमाम try. Reverse
6 1 4 6 5 2 5 5 3 9 3 2 9 3 7 2 0 3 7 8 8.
Very good, Huzaifa. Very good, Inzamam. Very good. MashaAllah. Now, after the reverse order, ये जो outer box दिख रहा है, let us see, ये जो outer box है, ये शायद पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. ये जो outer box है, ये शायद पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. Who will say this outer box? Okay, Alisha, try the outer box.
2 2 8 4 9 2 2 4 5 2 9 8 2 6 1 4 6 5 2 5 5 3 9 8 1 9.
Very good, Alisha. Very good, MashaAllah. Now, Rushda, there is one number somewhere 16. 1 6 16. Which number is before 16? Which number is after 16? And which number is above 16? And which number is below 16?
16 is the last number.
Very good. And which number is before 16?
Before is 6 4
Very
and
good.
above 9 2.
Very good, MashaAllah. Now everyone, as you had seen, ये जो numbers ये लोग ने memorize किए, ये कुछ आसान काम नहीं है. अगर हम आप में से किसी को बुलाए कि पूरे 50 नंबर अभी आके बोलो, कोई आ सकता है? No one. लेकिन अब for the first time in the history, ये जो numbers है, ये बीच में से 2 पार्ट में thousands में बोले जाएंगे. सुनना चाहते हो? नहीं, यस नहीं सुनाएंगे. नहीं, नहीं. The same numbers will be read out in thousands, starting from the first line. Okay, so who will say the number in thousands? Okay, Alisha, start.
22,849, 22,452, 99,236, 18,679, 18,275, 99,028, 88,700.
Audience, they need motivation. Come on, a big round of applause.
88,730, 27,392, 93,552, 56,416.
Audience, give her a big round of applause.
Let me tell you who says girls can't do anything. They are 5 sisters, alhamdulillah, and all are talented. So a big round of applause to the mother also for training them in such a good way. Jazakallah khair.
MashaAllah. All of you, thank you. नहीं जाने. Now, after these numericals, numericals, ये जो न्यूज़पेपर हम रोज सुबह में पढ़ते हैं, आज मिड डे का न्यूज़पेपर किस किस ने पढ़ा? कोई ऐसा है जिसने मिड डे का न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के आया आज? एनीवन? कोई और न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ा होगा? सर पेपर एवरीवन, ये जो न्यूज़पेपर है इसमें इतनी सारी न्यूज़ होती है कि हमको पढ़ने भी बोर होता है. Isn't it? सही बात बोल रहा हूँ ना? है ना? इतनी सारी न्यूज़ होती है, इतना बोर होता है. सिर्फ हम लोग हेडलाइन पढ़ते, फोटोग्राफ देखते, बस आगे बढ़ जाते. बट हमारे ये जो बच्चे हैं, हमारे ये जो एमएस के बच्चे हैं, माशाल्लाह, ये लोग न्यूज़पेपर सिर्फ पढ़ते ही नहीं बल्कि याद भी कर सकते हैं. और याद कैसे? कौन से पेज पे कौन सा हेडलाइन है या कौन सा न्यूज़ है, कौन से पेज पे कौन सा फोटोग्राफ है, वो लोग ये भी बता सकते. माशाल्लाह, इसका डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन अभी थोड़ी देर में होगा. Yes.
Sufyan Farooqi.
Now, let us start the newspaper demonstration. I would request Anwar sir to please say any of the page number, and our students will say the news headlines, everything of that page.
Page number 2.
Page number 2. Okay, who will say? Yes, Afrin.
It is about coronavirus scare. Cheap mask passed to N95 once. There is a picture of a mask which is in yellow color, and in the blue circle it is written at N95. And besides it, there are 9 medical stores. The first is Janta Medical Store. Second is Samrat Medical Store, Jain Medical Store, Samrat Maruti, and Mahavir Medical Store.
Very good, Afrin. Mashallah. Everyone, give her a huge round of applause. Nizam sir, some another.
Page number 12.
Page number 12. Okay. Who will say page number 12? Page number 12. Yes, Kamran.
Page number 12 is about nation. The first topic is about that the 31 people affected by coronavirus. Delhi people test positive, and below that a photo is there in which the policemen are wearing masks. Besides that, a photo of parliament is there in which
Parliament disrupted 5th day of Delhi riots.
Very good. And what is written on that page in blue circle?
32 number of people, 59 number of people affected.
Let us ask the next page number from Wasim sir. Wasim sir, please एक पेज नंबर दीजिए बच्चों को.
Page number 8.
Page number 8. Okay, who will say page number 8? Yes, Muzammil.
On page number 8, the first headline is, "We can't afford to lose our money." And below that, there is a picture in which Yes Bank outside, there are many people who are standing to withdraw their money. And the withdrawal money is, the maximum we can withdraw is about 50,000.
And further?
Below that, there is a second headline, Best gets back on CTSE Gateway route with 4 mini buses. Below that, there is a picture of a bus which is in red color, and people are sitting in it.
Very good, Muzammil. Mashallah, mashallah. Now let us take the next page number from Farzana ma'am.
Page number 10.
Page number 10.
It is a the first headline is, "A murder house to get high rate, a story, a big dream." There is a picture of Sania. Swata Bhoyer with a husband Ravindra Patil, and besides is the picture of Swata Bhoyer parents Pramolika and Anna, and below it is a picture of where Swati Bhoyer lives early, and in the next picture is Swata Bhoyer lives today.
And on the left bottom it is given 12th March. Jay Bosar will deliver his lecture on ministerial
lecture.
Yes, Muzammil.
In below headline there is written pay more for petrol and diesel, save on house buying and power bills.
Very good, Muzammil. Mashallah. Everyone, give them a huge round of applause. Now, everyone, that's it for the memory show. But mashallah, they all had remembered all the pages, all the 24 pages magazine or newspaper it was. It was a midday newspaper. Thank you, Jazakallah. It was their first performance. They are the students of 6th and 5th standard. Thank you, Jazakallah.